Welcome back to Destination Jamaica. Now, we promised Olympic updates, and we're trying to keep that promise. So let's jump into it. The first person to know about is Kenan Dols. Now, Kenan Dols is our 22-year-old swimmer that we have at the Olympic Village right now. Now, his dream comes true of being an Olympian. He actually failed to advance in the heats of the men 200-meter butterfly, but he has his sights set on the 200-meter individual medley. He came third place, and unfortunately, his time wasn't fast enough. He was hoping for it to be faster, but you know how these things are sometimes. He did say that it's a great feeling to compete at the Olympics and officially being an Olympian now. His time wasn't what he quite hoped for, but it was still a good race and he's happy. He wished it could have been faster, but it is what it is. Now we're going to look forward to him in the individual 200-meter medley to see how he'll perform, and we'll update you on that. Now the next news goes on to Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce and Yohan Blake. They are named the captains of Jamaica's Olympic team. Naturally, of course. So two-time Olympic 100-meter gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser and double Olympic silver medalist Yohan Blake have been named captains of Jamaica's track and field team at the Tokyo 2020 Olympic Games. So, you know how the thing sets, more than likely people will think that they will be the ones to be the captains for that team. But we're looking forward to see how they perform coming up soon. Thursday can't come quick enough, right? Where all eyes will be on them. No pressure though. Hope they do it for the love of it, naturally, and not worry about the eyes and the pressure that's on them, because the world and Jamaica, of course, is looking forward to them medaling. But I say, Shelly and Yuan, do your best and enjoy. Now, the next update. We might have some breaking news. I'm not sure. We'll see. I mean, we'll have our eyes on some possible news that could actually stun us. So we'll see if that person, if that news team is going to give us anything stunning. Hopefully not, because we can't take no news like that right now. Them done their Olympics. We just want medal or them to do them best, and no scandal of the sort. Now next up we have judo. So you probably heard of Jamaica being in judo. We have a 26-year-old there. Her name is Ebony Drysdale-Daley, and she takes to the mat for the women's 7 kg elimination round of 32 against Barbara Timo of Portugal between 11 a.m. and 2:30 p.m., which should be today. So we'll give you the update as soon as we see what the results are. So she's excited. I think she is the first. Yes, she is the first Jamaican athlete in judo. So that's something exciting for us, because we do have a judo team and people who adore judo here. So hopefully that this is the beginning of even more competitors joining the judo at the World Championships and beyond. No, the final update is the medal count. Now we have people saying that they think that Jamaica will get about 9 medals. We would love to hear your take on that. How many medals do you think we'll get at Olympics? Share below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Oh, and the final update. Remember that we said that Kerry McLeod was said to be COVID positive and could not make it. But there's some news that's coming in that he is set to represent Jamaica in the triple jump and long jump events after all. So he should get there in the next couple of days. So we'll see what happens with Kerry McLeod. And we're happy that he's safe and he's going to get to have his dream come true of being an Olympian. So that's it. Do subscribe for more. We're going to do some features on the athletes before us, such as Arthur Wint and a few others. And we have some other videos like who do you think will take over from Usain Bolt, if any? And also, will history repeat itself when it comes to our track and field events? So that's it for now. Subscribe, share, shop at our store, and thank you so much for listening. We really appreciate you, our subscribers, and our audience. Big up and stay upful always.